Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Me and Miles are gonna be opening some lockpicks. And this time, I'm gonna show him who's boss. And by the way, I won this from the leaderboard. So, let's give him the lockpicks. I don't really care what he does with them. Mixed goldens, mixed diamond, and I don't care. Where are they at? There they are. I don't know. I guess that's good. That's right. This time, I'm gonna win. This time, I'm gonna win. Let's give him a little more. I don't know, that should be fine. A couple more lockpicks. I don't really care what he does with them. I'm just gonna make goldens with mine. I mean, I've gotten a huge from a normal one before. $44. Alright, let's go. Oh, he already did. Junk. Junk again. Oh, let's use a normal. See what happens. Sorry if it's laggy, folks. Miles is already at medium. Up. There we go. Finally. We passed easy. Ah, so close. Oh, wow, we got to medium door at the same time. Oh, Miles got to hard. Up, he got huge, I think. Ah! No! Barnacles! Okay, congrats to him. He got a huge. Well, this will show him that he's not the only one who knows how to get huge. Up, somebody's opening lockpicks too. Come on. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys, because I'm going to give huges away. For subscribers and people who comment their username. I haven't even gotten past medium yet. Guys, this is bad. Miles is already beating me. This is bad, guys. Finally got past medium. Oh man. Oh, it looks like Miles had to start over too. Yeah, seriously, guys, I'm gonna be giving away huges. I'll either hatch it or buy it. Either one works. There you go, now you guys can see better. Alright. Back to easy. Alright. Miles got past easy too. Oh, there we go. Ha! There we go. Now I can show him who's boss. See, Miles, you're not the only one who could get something. Come on. Give me good luck, guys. Subscribe now. Give me all the subs. See? I got a huge as well. See, Miles, you're not the only one. So now it's a tie. There we go. Whoever could get the most huges wins. It looks like, I guess that guy's part of it too. I guess this random person's part of it. So far, me and Miles are in the running. Oh, Miles is at medium. Oh, he's at hard. He better not get huge. Is he out or something? You're out? Here, take 3. Here, take 3. Since I have 6, I'll give him half. No huge for me, I guess. Last one, guys. Alright, we're out. Oh, man, he beat me. Well, Miles wins. I shouldn't have gave him those lockpicks. Come on, Miles, accept. Well, he wins. For being I'll give him third. No, I'll give him 15. If you urgent like and comment, of course. Well, let's give Miles the tickets and then we'll round it up. And then I'll edit it and then... Oh, I just spelled it wrong. Yep. Alright, guys. I'll smell you later, baby. So, bye-bye.